what's going on. Coming out Tuesday, like I said, I would make somewhat of a longboard video. I got somewhat of a track set up in my head around my driveway, so I'll make something work. I got my juice, I got my board, ready to do this. Enjoy.